Someone driving.
Got one. But I can't kill them off. Vehicle
There's a
coming.
car, there's a car,
Vehicle
285. For Mark, yeah, JC about 240, yep. The car is just over there. Yeah, Marcus got sight.
Oh, spotted.
I know, it's to the right, there's no one inside, I think. Yep, the orange marker.
Over here, orange marker, they're inside the smoke.
Orange marker inside the
Yeah,
smoke.
they are inside the smoke. The
Some,
rock here got one also, I think. Shit, the circle is to their advantage.
Several teams.
One person
your mark, in the mark.
around here lah.
Yeah.
I can't.
Yeah. Watch the green side, JC to your right. Watch the green side. There's people there. Somewhere in that direction.
He's moving to our right.
He might be flanking JC. Watch your right.
We have to move soon.
Go now.
Throwing a smoke.
There's people on your left movement JC. On the trees. The two trees on the left. Each tree got one person. Just now. The orange tree. Somewhere there. Yep.
I need help here.
They heal up though.
On my mark, there's one guy. That's the last guy. That's the last guy. But he's.
They heal up though.
On my mark, there's one guy. That's the last guy. That's the last guy. But he's. Whatever troubles you have on my mark.
I'm out already.
No troubles there.
Y'all need to go in together. Give him easy angle.
He threw a smoke on my location.
Okay, you're all moving in, is it?
I can't see him.
Okay.
Nice.
I got a JS9 spray on him, but I couldn't kill him.